You as a dentist practicing Zoom teeth whitening know of in-chair Zoom Whitening Kits from Philips. These kits contain whitening gel, some consumables, and so-called Zoom Light Guides. Zoom Light Guide is a plastic cup to be attached to Philips Zoom whitening machine to make it work. Each standard Zoom Light Guide has a limit of 4 sessions by 15 minutes, which is enough for one patient. After all 4 sessions are used up, you see Replace Guide message on your lamp display, and you have to use a new guide. From practice, you know that one syringe of Zoom whitening gel is enough for 3-4 persons, while the Light Guide is designed only for one patient. Original Philips Zoom in-chair whitening kits are quite expensive. How to make more profit on your in-chair Zoom teeth whitening procedures? It is easy with ZoomFree Unlimited Light Guide. It gives you a Philips Zoom whitening machine an infinite number of sessions without any modification to your lamp. Your savings are up to $100 on each whitening procedure, even with original Zoom whitening gels. Your ZoomFree Unlimited Light Guide pays off after 4-5 procedures and then brings you extra profit. You have a freedom to use other quality whitening gels to boost your profit even more. Let's see how it works. Here is the Philips Zoom 4 WhiteSpeed whitening lamp with a standard Zoom Light Guide attached. This light guide is already used up, so we see Replace Guide message on the display. Let's replace it with ZoomFree Unlimited Light Guide. And we see 4 sessions available. The lamp is ready to work. We start first bleaching session. The lamp starts working. Now we interrupt the session by pressing pause button. And then we resume the session. Now we stop the session by pressing stop button. And we still have 4 sessions available. Let's start another session. We can change light intensity, just like with original Light Guide. Now we stop the second session, and we still have 4 sessions available. Let's start another bleaching session. And we stop it again. Still we have 4 sessions available. So, with ZoomFree Light Guide, you have unlimited number of bleaching sessions available, and you don't need original limited light guides anymore. ZoomFree Light Guide is absolutely safe for your Zoom lamp. Designed with modern power-saving technology, it consumes 2 times less power than original Zoom Light Guide. ZoomFree Unlimited Light Guide is compatible with Philips Zoom Advanced Power, Advanced Power Plus, and latest Zoom 4 WhiteSpeed whitening machines. ZoomFree Unlimited solution is certified and is in use in 55 countries around the world since 2015. In the next video, we will show you how to save up to $200 on each teeth bleaching procedure with ZoomFree Unlimited Light Guide. Stay tuned.